Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're doing something with peaches and we're making peach cobbler. I found out later on I don't really like peach cobbler, but everybody actually liked it. So you could do ahead what I'm doing, but if not, you could use canned peaches. If you use canned peaches, you do not have to do this part. But go on ahead and put them in a saucepan, 4 cups to be exact. For me, when I did this the first time that I ever made this, I used 2 cans of peaches. But for both, you're going to add in, the 3rd cup of white granulated sugar. All of this part, besides the boiling you'll do with cans. Yeah. And then you're going to take about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then probably about a teaspoon or so of cinnamon. That's pretty much how much that was in that container. And then you're going to let it come to a boil. You're doing this so that your peaches get soft, so that when you go put it in the oven, because sometimes it's still hard after it is done cooking in the oven. So yeah, you're just going to let it bring up to a boil. You can go ahead and stir it if you want to. It's not really that necessary because it's going to end up boiling out the juices that are in the peaches anyways. You can go ahead and remove the skin of the peaches, but I didn't. So we're going to go ahead and make the cake part of our peach cobbler. So this big huge measuring cup has a cup of white granulated sugar, a cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So you're going to go ahead and you are going to add that to a fairly large bowl. It doesn't have to be the biggest bowl because you're not making like a full cake. And then what you're going to do is I like to add things like the wet ingredients, like one at a time. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to whisk that together. Whisk all of those dry ingredients together. And then you're going to crack 1 egg. You only need 1 egg for this. Make sure your egg is room temperature. It's good that all your refrigerated items are all room temperature so that it helps with the consistency of your batter. I don't like mixing dry ingredients with an egg. Like, that's literally why I stopped here. You're going to put 2/3 cup of milk. I guess it doesn't really matter what milk it is. I haven't tried any other milk but whole milk. And I've only made this both times with whole milk. But yeah, you're going to go ahead and you're going to mix all that together. And then after you add your milk, you are going to add, that is a hefty teaspoon. It's more than a teaspoon of vanilla. If you can't tell by the things that I've made before, I love vanilla. Vanilla smells so wonderful and it makes everything taste so wonderful. Okay, just wanted to show you what the peaches look like after they are done boiling. Looks so good. That sauce looks so wonderful. After all the juice, is like rendered out. Looks fantastic. And then what you're going to do is in your baking dish, you're going to kill 2 birds with one stone. Add your butter in it to melt it. And then you're going to go ahead. It's weird, but it works. It's science. It makes sense. I didn't think it would either, but it does. Pour your batter in over that melted butter. If you can hear my air conditioner, I'm sorry. I'm not turning it off. It's summer. It's hot. I'm leaving that thing on. And then you're going to go ahead and add in all of that wonderful peach mixture over that batter. And then you're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes or until golden brown. I went ahead and did a little bit over golden brown because parts of it was a little bit too dark for my liking, but it still turned out great. This is what it looked like. I was going to do a full thing, but I forgot when I cut it open. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and then head over to the Instagram page and give me a follow. Thanks.